Hello everybody, here's my latest piece. It's a Crab Gavotte. I set myself the task of choosing the least romantic creatures I could think of, the crabs, and setting them in a romantic setting to try and do a really lovely romantic mosaic. Once again, I've got the vignette idea going, which I think really helps for the theatricality of the piece. It looks as though it might be a scene from a ballet, for example, which I'm really happy with. The tangerine and the turquoise are complementary colours, so we're getting them really to stand out. And this dark blue, I think, really helps to set the scene and frame it. And I like the fact this is on purpose, that this disappears and appears here, and this disappears here and appears here, so there's sort of yin-yang thing going on in the background. 10 legs, of course, decapods, 2 decapods, 2 times 10, 20 legs to contend with. So it took me a while to work this one out. And also there's a gestation period between me, in my case anyway, getting the idea and then bringing it to fruition. And I think this one has been one of the longest gestation periods ever. And that's probably why I'm so pleased with it. As usual, there's a poem to accompany the work, which goes like this. The Crab Gavotte. I do not wish to appear pedantic, but I didn't know crabs could be romantic. They seem to love each other such a lot, as together they dance this sideways gavotte.